Hey guys, Aaron Huskey here with Huskey Turf Solutions. If your lawn struggles to stay green in the summer, or water seems to just run off instead of soaking in, your soil may be part of the problem. Let's talk about why soil conditioner can make a huge difference. Soil conditioner is a treatment designed to improve your soil structure and to help water penetrate deeper into the root zone. Over time, Oklahoma soil can become compacted, dense, and hard, making it difficult for water, nutrient, and oxygen to reach the roots. Here's why homeowners add soil conditioner. It improves water penetration into the soil, helps reduce runoff and puddling, encourages deeper, healthier root growth, helps your lawn better withstand summer heat and drought stress, maximizes the effectiveness of your watering and fertilizing. For best results, we apply soil conditioner in June, July, and August. Those hotter summer months are when lawns experience the most heat stress. So, improving water penetration during that time can make a huge impact. A few signs that your lawn may benefit from this. Water either pools or runs off quickly. Soil feels hard and compacted. Grass struggles in summer despite watering. Dry spots appear even with irrigation. Your lawn declines quickly during heat waves. A lot of lawn problems start below the surface. If your soil isn't allowing the water and nutrients to reach the roots properly, your lawn will always struggle to perform its best. At Huskey Turf Solutions, we use soil conditioner to help improve the foundation of your lawn, so it can stay healthier, greener, and more resilient all summer long. Like and subscribe for more summer lawn care tips.